Hello and welcome to IndiaGlitz.com. My name is Salil, your friendly neighborhood reviewer reporting for duty. It's a bit of a midweek sort of conference that we're having because I happened to see Pink a little earlier. And that just goes to show how, assured, how ready the filmmakers are to take on the critics, the janta, everyone. And it was well worth the wait. You walked into this film knowing that the trailer had got a lot of interest in there. You knew that there were names like Amitabh Bachchan, Shujit Sarkar, Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, although making his first Hindi film was a very well-respected name in Bengali cinema. You had Anupam Roy from Piku days, great music there, although this film wasn't about the music. And an actress who I feel is finally going to get a due in the Bollywood industry, that is Taapsee Pannu. You walk into it knowing you will also feel uncomfortable. Look, I'm a kind of guy who, if he sees something happening to a girl, he's probably going to use his muscle power there and beat the crap out of the guys that are there, either eve teasing or troubling her. This is that kind of film that makes you feel helpless. It's that kind of film that talks about the conversations that you want to have with your girls, but you ignore them or you hope they'll go away because you don't want to face them. That is what the makers of Pink have done with this film. My only sort of interaction with Pink was when Saif Ali Khan was wearing a pink shirt. I used to wear a pink shirt. It was metrosexual. Pink, the band, loved the music. But I never thought a film like Pink would make me feel so black and grey. Now that's what Pink has done. It talks about our society, the feudal lord society that we exist in, where if three girls live in a house, they say, बच्चलन औरतें हैं. अगर औरतों ने सिगरेट पी या दारू पी तो लोग बोलते हैं कि ओह भैया ये लड़कियां खराब हैं. लेकिन अगर लड़के वही बात करें तो ये फिल्म दिखाती है हमें कि कैसे वो कूल है, क्योंकि वो अच्छे घर से आते हैं लड़के और ये लड़कियां जो हैं ये गलत हैं. इस फिल्म में ये सारी अनकंफर्टेबल बातों की ढेर सारी चर्चा होती है. एक इंसिडेंट होता है जो दिखाया नहीं जाता, लेकिन इंसिडेंट पहले रोलिंग क्रेडिट्स में होता है. लाइक दैट इस पिक्चर को अच्छी तरह ऐसे भी दिखाया गया कि लड़कियों का नाम पहले आता है, उसके बाद मिस्टर बच्चन का नाम आता है. यह भी दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है कि दिस इज द मेन क्रक्स ऑफ द फिल्म. उस इंसिडेंट में अंगद बेदी, जो उसमें युवराज टाइप कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं, उसको तापसी पन्नू फटाक से बोतल से मार देती है और वहां से उनको थोड़ा सा डरना शुरू हो जाता है, क्योंकि फ्रॉम देयर ऑन the intimidation tactics of the guys and how women are treated in society, to the extent that she goes to jail. You've seen that in the promo, the courtroom scene when Mr. Bachchan tells her, are you a virgin? All that takes place. This is as gripping as can be. The first half is tight. You feel helpless. This strong girl, Taapsee Pannu, who can whack a guy, she looks strong herself, but she can't do anything. Because the law can be made to work against these chicks because they met against a powerful guy of a powerful minister, and he's a son of that minister. The second half is about this, retired Deepak Sehgal, this, lawyer, and how he decides to come back into action for these girls. He's a bit weird looking in the beginning. He keeps staring at these chicks all the time. But then Mr. Bachchan comes in with his masterclass. The second half is about Mr. Bachchan's masterclass. बेटा जब मिस्टर बच्चन एक्टिंग करते हैं ना तो पेन और पेपर लेकर आप सिर्फ राइटिंग शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन फिल्म मेकर्स ने कुछ ज़्यादा लिबर्टी ले ली. सुजीत सरकार डायरेक्टर नहीं है तो प्रेशराइज हो गए शायद. पीकू में इरफान खान हीरो थे, दीपिका पादुकोण वाज आल्सो हीरो, एंड मिस्टर बच्चन. इन दिस फिल्म क्लियरली द हीरो वाज मिस्टर बच्चन. नाउ माय इशू विद द सेकंड लॉयर इन दिस फिल्म इज पीयूष मिश्रा. पीयूष मिश्रा has gotten this ऐसे टाइप की एक्टिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, और वो तमाशा में भी करते और वो शौकीन में भी करते और वो फिर ऐसे करते रहते और उसके बाद इरिटेट कर जाते हैं. यार देखो, वो कमाल के एक्टर हैं, कमाल के पोएट हैं. सर इतना ज़्यादा एक्टिंग क्यों कर रहे थे आप इस पिक्चर में? एंड दैट रियली पुट्स मी ऑफ. एंड आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि किसी को उन्हें बताना पड़ेगा, सर ये नहीं चाहिए हम लोगों को, वापस नेचुरल हो जाइए. बट दोनों के बीच में वो फाइट्स जो चलती हैं वो बड़ी अच्छी रहती हैं. I think Taapsee Pannu finally is going to get her due. Superb performance by her, by a girl who's just broken down completely. कीर्ति कुल्हारी इतनी सारी फिल्में कर चुकी है, शैतान से लेकर यार छोटे मोटे रोल्स करती रहती है, लेकिन कभी भी इतना मोटा कैरेक्टर नहीं मिला. एक ब्रेकडाउन सीन जब होता है ना कोर्ट रूम में, I can't tell you where it is, but that is when she takes the film. And you say this girl's graph in the film is fantastic. Andrea is the third character. She plays the stereotypical northeastern chick who gets always hassled and heckled living in North Delhi. And that's where this film is a winner. The casting is brilliant. The direction is brilliant. Yes, the second half is long and it's a little bit dragged. But if you sort of squeeze in those 20 minutes, I think there was one speech too many of Mr. Bachchan. It still comes out a clear winner. A lot of people walked away saying that this is probably going to be a landmark film for Indian society. It probably will be. But I still feel in the small cities, people will be uncomfortable. They won't agree with this kind of filmmaking. And that's why I say the filmmakers are brave. Rashmi Desai, the producer, has done a wonderful job, I think. And congratulations to the entire team. I do feel 15 minutes short in the second half and you would have had a winner on your hands. You still are going to have one. But that would have been a masterpiece. 3.5 stars for Pink. It's a must watch for all the performances. And by the way, in case you guys want to get in touch with me, I'm always very accessible on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I always keep posting my liberal views over there. Thanks so much for all the support. We may not always get all the comments. We may not get always on time with our reviews, but we go out there and we make sure that we give our viewpoint everywhere that we can. Salil Acharya it is, everywhere. They're verified profiles. Subscribe to the India Glitz page. Yep, right here. More subscribers, the more I can reach out there. See you and bye-bye.